Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street. Bill Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe out there. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. I love talking with everyone in the comments and the community tab. So if you're new to the channel, please make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because I love doing these videos on a regular basis, documenting my journey with investing, be it through cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom. And yes, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. We are literally just getting started and it's awesome. And it's only going to get better in the future. Believe me, I've seen some incredible returns with all my investments and we are so early in this. That's why I love it. Also guys, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through. It would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because when you do that, the YouTube algorithm is magic. All right, so give it a good old thumbs up. Let's get straight into it. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. Don't take what I say as financial advice. You need to jump on all the websites I've recommended in all my videos that will give you a lot of confidence before jumping into any kind of investment. Me, my golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. Yes, we don't like to lose, but you can lose money, especially in cryptos like that. And I don't want to see anyone get financially hurt. All right, so please be careful, do your own research. Don't take what I say as financial advice. All right, now the formalities are out of the way, guys. I did put a post up in my community tab here. Who was buying the dip? 65% of you already out of 82 votes. That was 19 minutes ago. Said yes, and 34% said no. So those of you who are 65%, this is where the money's made. This is where the money's made in all kinds of investments. When people are fearing, scared, panic selling, all this stuff, this is where the real money's at, because if you're buying at these opportunities, you will see the most gains when everything sort of picks up. And this always happens with cryptos, man. It's literally that volatile. When you buy the dip, you'll see the returns. Long term though, I'm not talking short term, long term. All right, so let's go into CoinSpot here and then we'll get into some news. This is where I buy my cryptos in Australia. There is a referral link below. Please feel free to use that. You can get $10 in Bitcoin if you use that. Who doesn't want Bitcoin? It is only going to go up to like $100,000 very soon. I believe that. In my bones, I feel it. But do your own research, of course. Make sure you're comfortable with signing up with this stuff, and do your own research, of course. Bitcoin, $76,000 today, AUD. This is all in Australian dollars, guys. This is incredible buying opportunities. Ethereum's down to 6,100. BNB, $861. Solana, $299. Cardano, $2.23. XRP, $8.33. That is an incredible buying opportunity. I'm going to definitely add to my bags of XRP, because when this thing settles next year, hopefully Q1, there's a result, this thing will go parabolic. It will be unstoppable, because we'll get listed back on all the exchanges and boom, it's going to go up like a rocket. All right, Polkadot, $48, Dogecoin, 28 cents. Going to scroll down to my favorites. Obviously, Crow's at 90 cents. It could be a good opportunity to buy into Crow now if you're looking to jump in on that while it's down now. Polygon Matic still up, guys, 2%, $3.17, which is incredible as well. Stellar XLM, 46 cents. Axie Infinity is $186. VeChain, 15 cents. Cosmos is up 15% as well. $47, guys. That's incredible to see that. Decentraland is down 12%, guys, to $5.50. Theta, $8.79. Hedera's at 45 cents. Sandbox, $8.45. Could be a great opportunity to start jumping into Mana and Sand, obviously, in all these metaverse projects, because they're down at the moment, which is great. The Graph, Web3, $1.19, which is a great buying opportunity. Gala's down to 70 cents. Have a look here. Eng is down to $4.39 as well. Neo, $49. And my other favorite here, guys, is XDC. Now, where have you gone there? 12 cents. So cheap, guys. So cheap. Anyway, that's pretty much it for terms of CoinSpot. Check it out. This is an article that I just came across. Obviously, superstar investor Cathie Wood says the metaverse is a multi-trillion-dollar opportunity that will infiltrate every sector. This is incredible because she is so smart. This lady obviously is the head of ARK Invest, and she does hold a significant amount of tech companies in the exchange traded funds that she operates and runs. And she is probably one of the biggest holders of Tesla stock in ARK Invest, and she's made a lot of money for her investors, and I mean a lot. So she's very smart and switched on, and you need to pay attention to what these people say and are doing. More to the point, obviously, that now she's getting involved in the crypto space and the metaverse space, so this is incredible as well. Cathie Wood said on Wednesday the metaverse is set to become a multi-trillion-dollar market. ARK Invest boss told CNBC that it will likely touch every sector in ways we cannot imagine right now. Her comments come as parcels of land in the metaverse are selling for millions of dollars. Millions of dollars. This is ridiculous. This is like the new NFT space, and not only that, the NFT space will be incorporated into the metaverse as well. You know, people will be able to buy digital sneakers. I know that for a fact that Gucci did, actually a while back, Gucci actually started doing like digital sneakers. I don't know if anyone actually saw that, and they started selling them for like $20 or $30 a pair for unique digital sneakers. They're probably going to be incorporating that. All these luxury brands. I know for a fact that Adidas or Adidas or however you say it, did buy land in the metaverse as well. So they're obviously doing that. Who's to say Nike's not going to do that? You know, Under Armour, all these other brands are going to be starting to do this, guys. Coca-Cola for sure. Budweiser, I know it's getting involved. I know they just bought a .eth, ENS name server sort of username, which is incredible. We're so early in this stuff, guys, so I'm not worried about any of the news and the FUD out there. And I just want to point out as well that these big boys, the big banks, JP Morgan says buy the dip. I'm not going to read this article because I'll probably get in trouble on YouTube, but go check it out. I'll link it below. They are clearly saying here, guys, to buy the dip. Literally. So hang on, let me just have a look if I can find it. It does say it in here, guys. So I just came across this before. Sorry, I'm a little bit lost here at the moment. Here we go. Here we go here, guys. So this might ultimately be a positive risk for market because it could signal the end of the you-know-what in sight, they said. So they are taking opportunity here to buy the dip. Buy the dip. JP Morgan saying buy the dip right now. That is 2 days ago. So am I doing that? Of course. Of course, man. This is an opportunity to get your bags filled right now. And this is what I'm doing. I'm definitely doing that. And yes, I've got my afternoon espresso here because this is an incredible opportunity. All right. Let's get into it, guys. Some other stuff here, guys, in relation to XRP. You've got an article on finance feeds, and I'm not a fan of this particular article as well. But JP Morgan is putting pressure on Coinbase for XRP. So obviously they are pushing for Coinbase to relist XRP as well. And obviously they had the summit the other day. I'm not sure how that went. I've got to look into what was said and what was discussed, and obviously that was kept from the public, which is incredible as well. Obviously you've got here basically that report that came out early in November, pointed out Coinbase is a key player in the return of XRP to normality in the United States after the Ripple wins the SEC lawsuit. So again, JP Morgan is positioning themselves for Ripple XRP to win this lawsuit. And I wonder why, because I think they're going to help each other out, aren't they? JP Morgan's North America research found the value of XRP for its unique value in the world of finance, with a clear competitive advantage against SWIFT and complementary to stable coins, guys. Mainstream adoption would be the end at the tunnel there, guys. So this is incredible. If the company is also able to win the SEC lawsuit and trading resumes on major cryptocurrency exchanges like Coinbase, XRP is poised for significant adoption. This article here, basically, I'm not a fan of it because it's saying Coinbase's counsel rated XRP as the closest you can get to a security. I don't believe that at all. It is not a security. I'm 100% convinced it is not a security. You don't have any voting rights into Ripple, the company. You don't have the voting rights to vote on board of directors. You don't get dividends. You don't get any of that, guys. It is a currency. And it has been clearly documented that it is a cryptocurrency. It is not a security. So I'm just waiting for this outcome. There's been some news updates in relation to the Ripple versus SEC lawsuit. So we'll get into that in a second. My tongue is twisted today, guys. So we've got here another news article as well. Meta, Facebook, to allow more crypto adverts on Facebook and Instagram. What do you think is going to happen now when they start pumping out these, crypto advertisements on social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram? So they're going to allow that more, meaning it's going to get more exposure. It actually will. So a lot of people, like on Instagram and Facebook, they'll start seeing crypto ads now on Facebook and Instagram. So this is going to be interesting to see what happens here. So cryptocurrency exchanges, wallet service providers, lenders, and mining companies can now advertise their services on Facebook and Instagram. So think about that for a moment, what's going to happen here in the next couple of weeks. This is 1 day ago. And another news article here I just came across as well. Let's just wait for this. Bitcoin Daily. Goldman Sachs, another big financial institution in the US, eyes using Bitcoin as collateral for institution cash loans. Mercado Bitcoin.com holding company snags $50 million in a series of B funding. So Goldman Sachs is currently undergoing an education on how to use Bitcoin as collateral for cash loans, according to the Thursday, December 2nd report from CoinDesk. Goldman Sachs doesn't plan to touch crypto spot markets. Instead, the bank and others like it plan to rely more on the synthetic crypto products like Future. This is incredible, guys. The banks are trying to copy tri-party repo arrangements, which are methods of borrowing funds through selling securities with an agreement to repurchase them through a third-party agent in order to follow that road of not actually touching Bitcoin. So they're trying to think of other ways of getting involved. Again, they are the ones that are being held back here with regulations, by the SEC and all the governing bodies over there in the US. So just an incredible space because, again, we are so early. I just love this whole thing as well. Let's get into Twitter and see what's going on here, guys, because it's been very quiet in the news today. I'm going to go straight to my page here, and I'm at the Wall Street Bull Oz for those of you who want to follow me. We have the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index, guys, sitting at extreme fear now. This is incredible. This is where the buying opportunities happen. I'm not worried at all. I'm not even scared. If my portfolio drops 20 or 30%, big deal. I'm long-term in crypto, 5 to 10 years, man, because I think this is where the most gains are going to be seen. We are so early in all crypto, guys. I'm not even worried about this. So this is why a lot of people get scared. They'll sell out their positions and then kick themselves later on. I'm not worried at all. I'm just accumulating, dollar cost averaging into all my projects, guys, all of them. And I'll get to those in a second. And you can see here, dropped from 31 back, 14 hours ago, back to 25 now. Interesting article here, HODL on the Ethereum rocket is about to lift off. This is on Cointelegraph. One analyst is optimistic that Ethereum will launch a parabolic attack on Bitcoin to beat its all-time highs. Imagine if Ethereum finally flipped Bitcoin. Obviously, it's going to require a huge move, but nothing is impossible. Let's have a look here. This is another thing I found as well. Internet may be just passing fad as millions give up on it. Look at that article there. That was on Tuesday, December 5th, year 2000. Obviously, we had, nothing like we have today with regards to iPhones and iPads and all the internet and metaverse stuff. Facebook, Instagram. I mean, yes, it was around, but it was so early. I reckon it was around the MySpace era actually back then. But anyway, this is interesting. So internet may be just a passing fad as millions give up on it. This is crazy because this is what's happening in cryptocurrency right now. People think that it's a fad and that it'll pass. It ain't going anywhere. There are too many big financial institutions, banks, investment firms, hedge funds, companies, CEOs, businesses that are adopting cryptocurrencies. Man, we are just at the beginning right here, and this is what I'm saying in terms of how early we are. This title says it all in relation to crypto if you apply that. So this is just the beginning. This is why I'm buying the dip. Obviously, we've got here, boom, the Reserve Bank of India will use Ripple XRP as the CBDC. In fact, all banks of India will use XRPL. This is huge. This comes out as well. What do we got here? Let me just go to this chart because I'll pull that up here. Axis Bank launches Ripple-powered instant payment services for retail and corporate customers. That is incredible as well. And if you go down here, Ripple POC to explore the synchronized movement of two different currencies in two different simulated real-time gross settlement RTGS systems. Ripple is obviously starting, man. So I don't understand what the FUD is. Hold the line here. You've got the chart. If you go back to all the crypto, all the Bitcoin charts from all the years back, this is incredible as well because this is where the money is going to be made. Now, I did tweet that a couple of days ago. Let me see if I can find it here on my Twitter page. All right, guys, here we go. I found it. Obviously, I just had to retweet it because it was further down the chain here. But every Bitcoin cycle in history has ended with a red month followed by 2 or 3 very green months. Look at 2011 right here. This is where we're at right at the moment here, guys, towards the end of the year, 2011. Green, then red, guys. Look at 2013, guys. Green, then red candles right here. 2017, green, then red, guys, towards the end of the year. This is where we're at the moment, guys. So I think we're going to see a bit of a green turn up trend, little red, and it's just going to go boom towards the end of the year, if not into January. This is happening, guys. Honestly, I think we're going to see a huge parabolic rise very soon, and this is why I'm not even worried, because all the cycles from the past have shown that returns will be made. And obviously, you just need to be prepared for this stuff. And obviously, if you're taking profits on these highs and these rises, great, take that profit. If you're leaving it in long term, Don't even look at the charts. That's what basically I'm doing. Let's get straight into some other stuff here. And also, I just want to point out on my Twitter page as well, I tweeted out a photo from Floki Inu. This is an intersection called Punt Road in Melbourne. And it's been literally had 3,000 likes and 600 retweets. And a lot of people are saying that it's not busy. I just want to point out, this is the busiest road in Melbourne. It is literally crazy, and I did tweet a photo of it when it is pumping, and this day was actually raining when I tweeted that photo. I'm not holding Floki, by the way, but I've seen so many comments, and look at this, it's just crazy. It's gone mental, and I tweeted out a photo back, a reply to show the intersection. Anyway, Google Punt Road on a busy day. This literally was a billboard that I saw and I couldn't believe it. Anyway, just thought I'd share that with you guys. That is a busy intersection. That is chaotic. Anyway, let's get into CoinMarketCap. I want to show you what's going on in the market in general. Let's just wait for this. All right, so we see the market of the entire crypto market in USD, $2.4 trillion. We are down significantly, guys, obviously because of all the announcements out there, in relation to the new situation we're all going into at the moment. There's a lot of fear and uncertainty and doubt. You got all this stuff with inflation, blah, blah, blah. Who cares? Don't even listen to it. Just do what the big boys are doing. They're buying the dip, guys. Trading volume has been $137 billion still, so there's a lot of money flying into cryptos. 41% BTC, 20% Ethereum, 15,100 cryptocurrencies. Here are the top gainers, guys. Cosmos, Near Protocol, Polygon as well, Stacks, Gala's down, and these ones are going down as well. Let's go into my portfolio. Right next, I'll show you this, and the ones that I'm going to be buying for sure. Search by price. There you go. So Bitcoin sitting at 53,000 US dollars. Olympus DAO is at $586. That is down a lot, guys. That is down a lot. So I am invested in Olympus DAO because of obviously the staking platform there. So I mean, obviously you get paid out in OHM tokens. Obviously it's paying out significantly more because I believe a lot of people have pulled out their initial investment. So the APY has gone from like 6,900 to just 7,060 or something like that. So, if obviously people take it out, the APY goes up, the more OHM you receive. So it's been incredible. And you've got to stay in that for 5 days to see a 6% return on your money. So it's going to be interesting to see how much I make in that. All right, let's go here. Neo's at $33. Theta is $5.96 right now USD. Sandbox is at $5.83 USD. Decentraland $3.78. Polygon Matic. This is all my portfolio, by the way. Polygon is at $2.18. Cardano $1.52. XRP 91 cents. Stellar XLM 31 cents. Hedera's at 30 cents. Theta Fuel 29 cents. Meta Hero 21 cents. It's down. I'm definitely going to be adding more of this. I want to hold a decent bag of Meta Hero because I think it's going to do very well in the future. Dogecoin 19 cents. Constellation DAG 17 cents. ANKR 12 cents, guys. VeChain 10 cents. 10 cents for this project. Very cheap. Tron is at 9 cents, guys. XDC is at 8 cents USD. AMP 5 cents. XYO 4 cents. Digibyte 4 cents. Reserve Rights is at 4 cents. Acropolis 2 cents. Reef 2 cents. I've been dollar cost averaging into Reef. Now I know a few of you said, I've pulled out of it. I like the project that I'm just dollar cost averaging in because it's quite cheap and I think it's going to burst very soon. Seacoin 2 cents, guys. I had a dream about Seacoin last night. Don't ask me why, but I had someone come up in my dream and ask me about Seacoin. Maybe that's a sign. I don't know, but it's at 1 cent there USD. So I'm holding a decent bag of Seacoin, and it is part of the the Web3 stuff here. XPR Proton 2 cents. Talcoin 1 cent. Electronium 1 cent. Holochain 1 cent. VThor. That's below 1 cent, guys. Ecomi is at below 1 cent, guys, at 6 cents. BTT below 1 cent there, 002. Ubix Network, and that gained very early in that one as well. Winlink, Shiba Inu, UFO Gaming, this one as well. Again, I checked my MetaMask where I'm holding it at the moment, and it's hilarious because it just went crazy and I glitched. So anyway, we'll see what happens with UFO. And that's pretty much it. I'm not talking about the other ones here because they're just rug pulls. And Pipple as well. This one here is just a fun play for me. I'm just throwing in a couple $100 to see what happens there. That's pretty much it. So everyone, there's nothing to panic about. There's nothing to worry about. I'm just dollar cost averaging into my portfolios with all my investments. and I just love it because it's great buying opportunities. Let's have a look at 3 commas right now. All right, I'm down to 1,661 US dollars. It has made me zero at the moment because it's late afternoon. It has been going all night. $446 USD total profits. I'll link the trading bot referral link below. Check that out. And I'll put up a video on how to set up a dollar cost averaging bot. Now, it has made me $446, which is incredible, guys. It's like $600 Australian. I've been running this now for a full month, just over a month, 4.5 weeks. It's been incredible. I have adjusted my bot. I'm taking 12 USDT buy orders, 10 USDT safety orders, 5 safety orders, taking 1.5% profits. I've got my stop loss off, and I just let it do its thing. I have increased it from 25 to 29 deals. Obviously, because I had some profits in there, I just reinvested it back. And again, these are all my active deals at the moment, and I'm just going to leave them do its thing. So long term, just going to let it do its thing. I keep an eye on it, obviously, on the website, so that's important as well to make sure that it's closing deals. When the market's sort of flat, you just need to leave it and not think about it. Get the app as well, because this is a great way to keep an eye on it. That's pretty much it in terms of the update, guys. I just want to say there is a great buying opportunity right now to accumulate these projects and whatever else you're interested in. Oh, and I forgot to say as well, Web3 coins. Again, I love these projects, the ones that I've just shown you. Hang on a second, let me just flip the price here. So King Token, I'm considering adding. I'm holding BTT, Sia Coin as well. Pond, I am going to add. The other one I'm going to add is Ocean. And there's another one here, Flux and NKN. So I'm looking at a couple of these at the moment. I'll update you next week on these ones, right? That's pretty much it. Let me know in the comments below, what are you buying at the moment? Love to talk to you guys, right? Stay safe. Peace, bye.